Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open and visible. So once you have yours open, all you want to do is press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with the share and edit option, and after a moment it will disappear. Now once it disappears, you'll be able to locate your screenshot in your gallery application, and you can see it right here at the very top, or under a folder it should be under screenshots, and there we go. So there we go, that's how you can capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.